Hey, so I heard you want to stream like this with a professional layout, good quality, and a webcam, but to not have the computer or the webcam to do it with? Well, guess what? You're about to learn how to do all this with your cell phone.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Alright, so I don't want to waste your time, so really fast, we're going to go to the Streamlabs application. You log in with whatever account you want. I'm going to use Facebook. You put your login information. It's going to take you to this screen right here. You're going to choose stream your games because obviously you want to stream games. You click next on this window and next again, and on the right hand corner you're going to see these three dots. You press them and you're going to click on editor. Once you click on editor, you're going to see this black box right here. You click the three dots and you delete it because alerts do not work for Trovo right now. You go back to layers, and in layers you're going to click on add a layer. Once you click on add a layer, you're going to go to add a camera, and what that's going to do is turn your phone's front camera into a webcam. You're going to see the square right here. Once you press that, and you're going to tap it so you can enable the adjustment box. Once you do that, you can adjust it however you want and whatever size you want. This, for me, I'm gonna put it right here in the bottom corner. Perfect. Next part you can skip if you don't have an overlay, but for those that do, you go to layers, you go to add a layer, and this time you gotta go to add a custom item, upload image from device, and you're gonna get your PNG image. You're gonna click on it and it's gonna look like this. Sometimes the application bugs out, so what you gotta do is, you see the three dots above the square, you tap the first two. It's gonna bring your layer all the way to the bottom, so you take that layer, bring it all the way back up like this. Boom. And then what you do is you close out, you untap them and you close out the application. You click on the application again, and you're gonna see your layer right there. You go back to the three dots, go to editor, and you click on your overlay. You expand it, and boom, it's gonna look perfectly aligned with your camera. And you click back arrow, and you're ready to go live. Now to go live is very, very simple. All you gotta do is click on the three lines right here in the corner, go to account settings. You're gonna see this window. You log in into whichever account you wanna go live on. Since it's Trovo, we're gonna go to custom RTMP. You go to setup, and you're gonna type in your stream URL. And on the bottom, your stream key. Once you do that, you're gonna click next and back, and then you click back again. Once you see this screen right here, all you gotta do is click on Go Live. Go to select platform and select custom RTMP. When you select that, you click next, and you're gonna get a stream title. You type in the stream title you want. For my case, I'm gonna type casino stream, just like this, and all you gotta do is go live. Once you see the clock ticking on the top, you can go to the game you want to stream. In my case, it's gonna be Call of Duty Mobile, and that's it. Everything you do on your phone is gonna project on your stream. And that's how you stream using only your cell phone, guys. If you have any questions, complications, something didn't go right, feel free to go to my Trovo. I'm usually streaming 15 hours every day, so you're gonna find me in my Trovo. Come say hi, tell me what your problem is. I can usually help you out right there on my stream, show you on my own platform how to fix it, alright? And nothing, that's it. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to give it a like, follow it, and share it if you want. If you think it's useful, share it with your friends. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Love you.
Ladies and gentlemen. Yeah.